I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Actions. DirectIQ. Give here the client ID and client secret key. So please visit DirectIQ API token. Copy the client ID and client secret key. Paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to DirectIQ and you can see the data came successfully in DirectIQ. Thanks for watching.